I'm going to review the Somdot Tall Dresser for bedrooms with 5 drawers. If at any point during this video you're interested in checking out this dresser and getting it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Have you ever felt like your space is just bursting at the seams with stuff? If you're looking for a sleek and versatile storage solution that can fit seamlessly into any room, let me introduce you to the Somdot Tall Dresser with 5 drawers. Today we're showcasing it in black, but keep in mind it comes in 4 different colors, with drawer options ranging from 3 to 6 drawers to perfectly suit your needs. What makes this dresser a game changer? For starters, its multi-purpose design allows it to fit into a variety of spaces throughout your home. Whether you need a storage stand in your entryway, a nightstand in your bedroom, an end table in your living room, a toy storage solution in the nursery, or even extra storage inside your closet, this piece has got you covered. Now let's talk quality. The Somdot dresser is built to last. With a strong steel frame, a durable wood board, adjustable plastic feet, and premium fabric drawers. These materials combine to ensure it can withstand daily wear and tear, providing you with a sturdy storage solution that won't easily buckle under pressure. One of the standout features is how easy it is to assemble. All the hardware you need comes right in the box, and with the clear instructions, you'll have it put together in no time. No extra tools required. And at only 30 centimeters deep and 42 centimeters wide, this dresser offers generous storage while still being compact enough to fit in tighter spaces. Its modern minimalist style is another big plus. The sleek black finish we're showing here complements any decor style, making it a perfect addition to any room in your home. Plus, with its 5 removable drawers, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to move around, making it practical for everyday use. You can even mix and match it with other Somdot storage solutions to create a cohesive look in your home. However, as with any product, there is a minor consideration to keep in mind. While the lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, it might not hold up to very heavy items in the long term. So if you're planning to store a lot of heavy books or bulky items, you might want to consider that. Overall, the Somdot Tall Dresser is a stylish, functional, and versatile addition to any home, offering plenty of storage without sacrificing style or space. Ready to declutter and elevate your space? Check out the links in the description below to get this amazing dresser at a fantastic price. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this deal. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.